Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one on the roll, guys. Get you a little bit of box action. Let me hit this like. Get in there to focus. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White, Total Orange, and Multicolor, aka the prototypes. Had to get 3 pairs of this shoe because I cut one. The shoe can be cut at the top and turned into a low top sneaker. Gotta get this box top back on. Cut this light out. Not a bad shoe. You guys know I love the Jordan 1 silhouette. So I'm always buying and selling Jordan 1. So the Jordan 1 guy. I used to be the Jordan 1 and 5 guy, but I had to let the 5s go. I'm going to unbox some 5s today just so I can get them on here. Got the Jade 5s already. Should be coming out next month. I think the 25th. Unbox them today. And I got the Chili Red 9s. Unboxed today. That has nothing to do with this video. Let me get back to these prototypes. Prototypes gave everybody the sort of biohack feel, being that they had a lot of different Jordan materials in here. You got some light action. The materials on this shoe are outstanding. Get you some top action because this is actually has a little Nike swoosh near the toe box. Tongue, orange Nike at the top of the tongue. I hope you guys can make that out. All black tongue, black laces. It comes with extra laces. They're on my other shoe, so I'm not going to pull that out. It comes with 2 other pairs of laces. I think 3 other pairs of laces. I should have took that shoe out, but I apologize, guys. Black back, blue upper. I don't know if you guys can make this out, but there's a sort of dotted line that goes all around the shoe. This is where you cut the shoe to make it a low top. Anyone who owns the shoe will probably let you guys know. Sorry about that, guys. I moved the camera, but you'll be able to see like a little dotted line. You see, the shoe also has 3M hits here and here, as well as some 3M on the toe box. In my opinion, this is a great Jordy. Like I said, I don't know why you guys slept on this Jordy and nobody went and picked it up. I think they're selling for a little bit over retail now, so if you still want a pair, you can go and get it. Some outlets I've been to have had a few pairs here and there, but you know, you won't get a box top. It must have been customer returns, but yeah, like I said, good Jordan in my opinion. I enjoy having it in my collection. Now, I will tell you that if you do cut the top, make sure that you have someone who can re-stitch it. It's going to be an exposed top. That was the only problem I had. And if you do save the top, you can have someone put a zipper on it and you will be able to re-zip the shoe. That's what I ended up doing. So I just put a zipper at the top. So if I want to, I can just zip it up. If you guys want to see that shoe, let me know. And I will bring that one out and unbox that one. Give you guys a view of the shoe when it's going to be on your foot. Alright guys, let me know what shoes you want to see. Let me know what shoes you're buying. We're going to get on to the next shoe.
Everybody fucking jump!